Hello and good morning. Today, let us look at the fourth bhava and the Karatatvas of the fourth bhava. I have also given you some of the details that are listed in Parashara, Hora Sastra and Phaladeepika. Parashara Hora Sastra, chapter 7, shloka 39 to 43 says, whatever results are to be known from the fourth bhava should also be known from the fourth of the Chandra. Nation, foundation, habitual, rhythms, rituals, routines, old school, homes, farms, school, houses and cards are to be read from the fourth bhava. In another chapter, 24, shloka number 16, if the Dhana Lord is in the fourth bhava, the native will acquire all kinds of wealth. Parashara Hora Shastra chapter number 32 shloka number 31 and 33 says each bhava of each of the 12 bhavas also represent the social meaning, such as when the Lord of the fourth is in the 11 indicates profit or gain in property, the Lord of the fourth in the third loss of property, Venus or the Lord of the fourth house are blessed if their presence is in an auspicious ninth or a gainful 11th. Depending on various other factors in the chart, this combination tends to have a positive effect on number and quality of conveyances and properties. Parashara Hora Shastra chapter number 32 shloka number 18 and 21 says Venus as a constant karatattva for material environmental benefits if placed in the 9th or the 11th house is beneficial. Phaladeepika chapter 1 shloka 11 and 12 house, properties, land, agricultural field, maternal uncle, a sister's son, relatives, friends, conveyances, vehicular, mother, cattle, wealth, scent, perfume, dress materials, garments, jewelry, happiness, sukha and the nadar is to be read from the fourth bhava. The Kalachakra's fourth house falls in Cancer. The fourth bhava rules oceans, estuaries, seas as well as lifestyle. Based on their marine environment, under the sea drilling, Mars in the fourth in a wet Rashi, ocean freight shipping, ocean going trade, Mercury, military, naval and national defense by water, Saturn and Mars. In the next chapter or in the next slide, let us look at the Karatattvas that bind us.